Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm going to be doing a video with my brother Alex, and we're going to see what's in this lava slime surprise. So, do you want to open it? And I'm pretty sure we should turn this. Oh. And there's this, it feels like slime. It says lava slime, and it has this little thing that looks weird.
Wait, what? Can I see it?
There's something else. 5+.
Oh, actually, squashes. Can squash.
I'm gonna open this. Oh.
And I think it's one of these ones.
These are the instructions. So I'm pretty sure you open this packet. Okay, great. There's slime. Put it in here. And I think there's parts in here for the dinosaur, and this is how you make the mosasaur. It's very gooey. So Alex, we're gonna get these parts. Okay, just get some parts from the slime. Ugh. So sticky.
Found one.
Good job. It feels like jelly but stickier.
I think there's more parts.
Oh.
And then I something's here. I feel something.
Oh yeah. What's
Punchy.
this? Oh, it's your pinky. Wow, for your pinky.
I found it. I found that arm.
Oh, another one.
You found the face.
First I thought these were skeletons. Yeah. Get off me. Stop. Okay, great. Thank you.
I don't think I see nothing.
I found a piece. Now put it down on the tip.
Another.
Yeah, I think there's another piece. Yeah, there is. Nope, there's no more pieces.
No more pieces.
So I'm gonna get this off me.
Oh, look at them. Was that fun, Dad? I found all of them.
Well, that's all the pieces. I'm gonna clean them up and put them all together. We're going to put the dinosaur together. Let's check if we have all the parts. So we have the head and the jaw. Yep, those are the two first pieces. Then we have the back spine. And then we need this.
Look at
part.
slime.
I think it's this one, yeah. And we have these two hands or feet. Yes, perfect. And then we have a foot. This one. No, it says to get this piece and this piece and put them in. Step says get the bottom rib or whatever it was. No. Okay. And now I'm gonna do the next part. So we're gonna get this and put it here. Oh, this gonna help. You're gonna, Alex. So we built what it says is mosasaur, and we built the mosasaur. Now Alex is gonna fly it around. Where's it gonna land? Is it gonna land in the volcano? Alex, Land in the volcano. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.